If you've been looking for a good hunting, all-in-one field dressing kit, you gotta see the one we're gonna be looking at in today's video. Stick around. If you follow my channel, you know that I love digging up good budget knives to review. I like to get out there and see what's on the market, and if something catches my eye, I'll pick it up and review it. And I will tell you, a company that caught my eye is FLISSA. I have reviewed 2 of their knives and was very impressed with both of them. Impressed with the quality, impressed with the look, impressed with the price. I reviewed one of their hunting knives. It was a bigger one, and I also reviewed one of their more compact D2 steel knives. Just was super impressed with it. I bought 2 of those. I've got both of those reviews out on my channel. I did them within the last month or so. But in doing those reviews, I've been able to make a connection with FLISSA, and now I'm having the opportunity to review, several more things that they have available. And I will tell you, what we're getting ready to look at today blows my mind just simply based on its price point. As much as I would like to take this on a hunting trip, which I don't have one planned right now, I think a simple showcasing of what's in here will totally speak for itself. Keep in mind, what I'm about to show you is $50, $50. I'm not even an affiliate of FLISSA, and I don't get any commission on this video. And I'm telling you, that is a crazy good price. Let's get into it. All right, so here's our case right here. You get this solid case. Now let's open it up and see what's in this box of treasure. So when you first open it, here's what you see. Right off the bat, you're gonna see a cutting board here. It's gonna come in really handy if you're out, catching some fish, doing a little catch and cook. Altogether, you've got 10 pieces of equipment in here. We're gonna look at each one. So starting off, you can see we've got a variety of knives here. We've got this big filleting knife. And I will tell you, this stuff's razor sharp right out of the box. You've got a knife here with a gutting hook. Pretty much do anything with this. This next piece is what blew my mind. You could do some serious butchering with this. That's a lot of thickness there. I handle a lot of little throwing axes and hatchets, whatever you want to call them. And this right here just feels super solid. This right here feels more solid than a lot of the throwing axes that I've handled. And this is included in a set, and you'd pay normally, I don't know, 15 to 20 bucks just for something like this if you was to buy it by itself. You've got this little 7 1/4 inch caping knife. You also get these rubber gloves here for getting down and dirty. Got an HCS sharpener here. Take a look at these gaming shears. Got a 9 1/4 inch wood bone saw here. And last but not least, a set of rib spreaders. Let's do a little paper sharp testing on these blades. All right. Paper sharp. Good to go. If you have this set, you're going to be fully equipped. Now, I know this is budget stainless steel, but this stuff serves a very specific purpose. You use it, you sharpen it, you put it back in the case, and you get all of this for 50 bucks. See, that's the part that blows my mind. If you went out and just individually bought this stuff and put it all together, you'd pay a whole lot more than that. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Plain and simple. You got a chance to take an up-close and personal look at each of the items in this field dressing kit. You get a ton of things, and it's good looking stuff. It's well presented, well packaged, well put together, and all in one. If you ask my opinion, I think something like this is great to just keep in the car, keep in the truck, keep with you all the time. Outside of being a well-decorated field dressing kit, it's a great survival kit. Another thing I want to point out is how securely fastened these items are in this carrying case. Sometimes you get a tool case and it's just tools are flopping around all over the place. You're just not going to have that problem with this. All right, our time of show and tell has come to a close. I hope you have found this video helpful and resourceful. I will be providing a link in the description for you to go out and pick this up. Again, it's a great price. Take care.